Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to answer the most asked question when it comes to people in the Subaru community, and that's how can I keep my Subaru from blowing up and sending a rod into the car next to me. So I'll be able to answer that today, but first let's go on a parts run with Mr. Miatalogan and his not so Miata car. So when it comes to being in the car community, you hear a lot of Subarus always blow up. They're always having issues with rod knocks, they're always having issues, exiting a piston out of the actual engine itself. But it's because of maintenance. People don't do their proper maintenance, and that's literally the biggest thing when it comes to cars. Any car will fail if you don't do maintenance to it, and that's what we're going to do today. But today we're going to do a full oil change on the BRZ, and then we're going to actually change the clutch fluid for the first time in its lifespan of 140,000 miles. And then we'll hopefully see a difference in the clutch pedal in itself and the actual engagement that it has with the transmission. So let's O'Reilly's. We're going to O'Reilly's. Let's go to O'Reilly's and fix a pulley that's making an awful squeaking sound, and be right back. I mean, you can hear the spool a little bit. In the car? Yeah. Hold up. At E90? With working cup holders? Oh my god. That's crazy, honestly. It's luxury at its finest.
Great noise.
Successful part run. Now my BRZ won't whine like it has a supercharger when it doesn't, so yay. It's so windy and it's so bright out. So the first thing we're going to do is just change the pulley. It's super easy. You just move the belt tensioner over, take the belt off the pulley, loosen the pulley, and then replace it. So get that in. Out with the old and in with the new one. Wow! The sun is so bad today, and just like that, the pulley's done. It literally just takes the tensioner, loosen the pulley, take it off, put it on, put the tensioner back on. It's super easy. Now we get to an oil change, which on the FA is so easy because the oil filter's on top, and then just do the car up and, well, change your oil. In example, it's literally right on top, right up here. Don't mind.
Canister filter.
I know, it's so easy. Don't mind all the coolant on top. We had a little oopsie the other day. A boom job. So now we're going to bleed the clutch fluid out of the reservoir because that reservoir has never been changed in the 140,000 miles of me owning the car. So when it comes to changing the clutch fluid, you can either vacuum it out, or right where this hose is, there is a little bleeder, and you loosen it with your clutch pedal pressed fully in, and it'll shoot clutch fluid out. Then you tighten it back, you pump the clutch a few times, you put clutch fluid into the line, you push your clutch all the way to the ground, crack it open, let it drain, tighten it back up, and then repeat. And you keep the clutch pedal pressed all the way to the ground when you have it open to not allow air into the system. So let's attempt to get all of this absolutely nasty, nasty clutch fluid out of the reservoir.
Give me a second, hold on. All right, you ready?
Yep, pedal all of it more.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Yeah, there's definitely barely any fluid in there now.
I can see it. There's still some in there.
Alright, it's come back now, but it's taking a lot longer to come back.
All right, hold off. I gotta put new fluid in there.
Okay. Yeah, get that AM's oil.
Come on, bro. There we go. Okay. Once it drops back down to minimum, we should be fully flush.
Alright, pump it.
Yeah, you can pump it right now.
So now that we have that one idler pulley changed, we have the oil changed and the clutch fluid changed and bled properly. I'm going to start the car, let the oil pump through it, and then maybe go on a drive. I said that before, and then never posted a video about it. So I guarantee you it's still going to squeak like crazy though.
Yeah, it's probably still going to make noise.
Yeah, it's probably not that pulley that we changed. But
it definitely needed to be changed again.
Alrighty.
Oh, golly.
That was not seen.
It was not. Yeah, it was. Sketchy, y'all.
Yeah. It's so loud right there. Either one of those, no doubt.
That one was definitely not good, though.
They only get changed like that.
Just because you can finish
Successful oil change. And now we say goodbye to Mr. Miatalogan. And we thank Mr. Miatalogan for helping drain the clutch.
Yes. Now, do you want your fans to see a lot?
Freak yeah, man. That was super cool. So today is actually Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve to everybody. Tomorrow's gonna be Christmas. Merry Christmas, because I believe this video should come out tomorrow. If it doesn't, then I hope you're having a fantastic day on whatever day it comes out. So in the video, I really hope you took away that it's super important to do your maintenance because it's easier and just better for your wallet to pay $60 for an oil change or go somewhere to get your oil changed than replace a blown up motor because you just neglected your oil changes. In the video, you also watched me change the pulley. Now that pulley wasn't the cause of that whining sound. That's a different idler pulley that I do have on order and it will be shipped hopefully here next week. But that pulley was bad in itself and it's just great to nip it in the bud right now so we can not have future failures and then have to worry about the future failure then when I could have just replaced it now. You also saw me bleed the clutch fluid, which should have been done a long time ago. Now, did that have to be done? Was it crucial? No, it didn't. But it's a good habit just to keep your car and the parts of your car alive for longer. So hopefully I was able to just demonstrate and show kind of methods to be able to do what I did in the video. It wasn't like a full-on tutorial. It was just a culmination of a bunch of maintenance stuff that needed to be done on the BRZ currently today. Other than that, thank you everybody so much for watching. If you're new here, you know, drop a like, maybe subscribe, stay a little bit, because I really enjoy pushing content out, and hopefully content that people can actually enjoy. If you're an existing viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate when you guys comment. I like being active with you guys in the comment section when it comes down to it. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, or any day of your life. Thank you so much.